Welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how I did over $180 in an hour running on Taboola ads. I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm going to get straight into the video right now. So firstly, look, you can see on this date I had sent over 3,530 people to my business, and I spent over $176. On the analytics screen, you can see the data for the campaigns and the revenue that was generated. You should understand that's 486 on a $176 spend. So if we check the source and then we check the hour, the time now, you can see there I generated $186 in 1 hour. Now, not to waste too much more of your time and to keep it on to the next point, you want to find out and you want to know exactly how I did this. So, and it was easy. You go to a spy tool like this spy tool. I'll send the link in the description. It's called afbank.com/spy tool. It's free. And what you want to do is look for successful campaigns running now. So you want to look for 1,000, for example, plus views. So if you're running ads on Taboola and you're doing AdSense, what you want to go and do is you want to go and look for the proven ads and campaigns that are running now, so that you can run them yourself and model them and create your own version of them. So let's look at this ad in the first place. Why you should wrap your feet in aluminium oil. It's got 40 views. It's from Clever Tricks. Do you understand? It's a proven campaign that's running. So as that's loading up, so what you want to do is you want to look for campaigns that have more views, 200 views plus. So that shows that this campaign has been running again and again and again. And by doing this, you eliminate campaigns that maybe have been tested, or you want to look for campaigns or ads in our market that we would like to model, and specifically Taboola. So let's just click Taboola now. And then let's type in a keyword of an ad. So for example, like foods. So here's one. So 7 top foods to include in your kids' diet. So as you can see here, this ad, I don't think you're going to be able to see all of it in the screen. I need to move it across. There you go. That's better. This ad got over 414 views and was running in April. This is a proven successful ad that you can model right now to create an ad on Taboola that, look at, could be super an effective ad that you could run now. So then what you want to do is you want to go to the landing page and you want to model the landing page, the ads, the placements, the type of content, the next button, and you want to run this on Taboola. So do you understand the process I'm talking about? It's pretty simple. You really want to understand that to be successful, you have to model other successful campaigns and ads and companies. You have to start from that position and then you can add your own ideas. But that's the exact step-by-step process I used to create $186 in an hour. You basically, again, find a proven campaign, model it, create the advertisements based on what you see, target similar countries to where the campaign is running, and run it yourself. And when you're in that process, you're constantly doing what works, and that's what I call success, doing what works. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and tune in more for my next video on how to be successful with Taboola ads and AdSense and arbitrage, and Facebook ads and arbitrage.